Okay, and welcome to your tutorial on looking with equations with pronumerals on both sides. Now, the main thing to remember with equations is there's a series of steps which we follow. If we do not follow these series of steps, we will totally get lost, like IKEA furniture being assembled without the proper steps taken. See what I did there? You're welcome. Okay, let's begin. So, more complex linear equations, you probably should write something like this down, may have pronumerals on both sides of the equal side, or both sides of the equation. Equations with pronumerals on both sides can be solved by collecting like terms using addition and subtraction. It's actually really not that hard, guys. Today I'm going to show you two different examples. The first example is going to be an equation without brackets. The second example is going to be an equation with brackets. Okay, so let's begin. Okay, here's an example with brackets. First thing I need to do, okay, before I begin, I must extrapolate my brackets out. This is the same question that I gave you in the previous example, except this time I've substituted my number with x. So my answer becomes 3 multiplied by 2x, 3 multiplied by 4, 8 multiplied by x, 8 multiplied by 1. 3 multiplied by 2x becomes 6x, 3 multiplied by 4 becomes 12, is equal to, those is equal to 8 multiplied by x is 8x, 8 multiplied by 1 is 8. So now I have 6x plus 12 equals 8x plus 8. It doesn't matter which way I change it. I could move the 8x from this side and subtract 8x from that side and get a negative number. It wouldn't matter. It really doesn't matter, but I try and keep it positive. Okay, I try and move it to a side where my number will remain positive. So I could move this 6x over that side. Now it's a positive number, so to get rid of it, I must subtract 6x from this side and subtract 6x from the other side. Because what I'm doing to one side, I have to do the same to the other. So my answer becomes 12 equals 2x plus 8. I can also flip those around if you prefer to write it. I know, Riley, we had this conversation the other day. You prefer to write it this way. So 2x plus 8 equals 12. Then to get rid of the 8, I'll subtract 8 from that side, subtract 8 from that side. 2x is equivalent to 4. Therefore, x will be equal, when I divide that by 2 and that by 2, x will be equal to 2. That's it, guys. That's pronumerals on both sides. The main idea is that I collect my like terms. That's the main idea. And I collect them either by adding or subtracting, depending on the value of the number.